Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ola here. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 best Fiverr gigs that you could use to make at least $100 a day. So if this is your first time of seeing me right here on YouTube, my name is Ola, and what I simply do right here on my channel is literally teach you guys how to make money online, how to grow your channel, everything related to money. So if you are someone who is interested in making money online, or you're just interested in money generally, I'm going to advise you smash the subscribe button right here and turn on that notification bell. So guys, I'm going to advise you watch the video to the end, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a big announcement that's going to be really beneficial to you. So if you're someone who is interested in making money online, I'm going to advise you literally watch the video and do not skip any part of this video. Fiverr I'm going to be looking at right here in this video, guys, is called the blog comment. So you guys might kind of be shocked, like you could literally make money by just literally commenting on blog, and you're going to be getting money from this. So literally right here, if I come over to Fiverr right here and I type in blog comment, you're going to see a lot of gig right here on Fiverr, and you can see right here this gig is going for $10. This is another gig also going for $20 right here, and you can see right here this guy has a kind of good review right here. So if I click on this guy profile right here, you see this guy has over 891 reviews right here on this profile. He's simply doing right here on Fiverr is just writing blog comment, and you see right here it said it's going to make a high quality blog comment backlink right here. So if I go over to his description right here, you can see right here this is description, and you can see right here this is a standard plan. He also has a premium plan. His premium plan is over $70 right here, while his standard plan is over $35 right here. You can see right here this guy is really making a lot of money on these gigs right here. So if I come over to my calculator right here and I times $20 times 89, you guys are gonna see that this guy has made over $17,000 right here on Fiverr. All he's just doing right here is just writing the blog comment right here on Fiverr. So this is a very good gig and a very low competition gig that you could jump on right here on Fiverr right here. Create your gig right here and start writing blog comments. The second gig right here on my list that you could literally make a good amount of money from on Fiverr right here is called the language transcriptionalist, or language transcription in general. If I come over to Fiverr right here and type in language transcription right here, you're gonna see different kind of gig peeling up. Here this guy is offering his transcription job right here for just $15. This is another guy offering his transcription job for just $10, $5, $15 right here. So right here, let me quickly open one of this profile, and you can see right here that this person has over 1,000 plus review, and this person is selling his gig for just $30. That's our basic plan right here. And she said right here that she's going to transcribe a 60-minute audio file into a video. So this is just kind of a transcription job where you have the ability to transcribe, different languages into different languages. So for example, if you know how to speak Hausa, you could transcribe from Hausa to English. You could transcribe from English to Hausa. You could transcribe from Yoruba to like Igbo, or could transcribe from Igbo to like any kind of language right here. So if you know how to speak different kind of language right here, then this is your opportunity right here to jump on Fiverr right here to create a gig for yourself right here and start transcribing. To those of you who know how to speak different kind of language, if you know you can speak more than 1 or 2, 3 different kind of language right here, then Fiverr is the best place for you to jump right here. And I times $30 times 1,000, so I'm gonna see that this person has made over $30,000 right here on Fiverr, which is a very large amount of money. So if you have any skills or any language you could speak fluently right here, it could be German, it could be Spanish, it could be Pakistan, it could be India right here. If you could transcribe this language right here perfectly, then Fiverr is a very great place for you to jump on. By the way, if you guys are getting any value from the video so far, I'm gonna advise you smash that subscribe button right here, give the video a like, and again, if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to go to the comment section right here and drop your comment. So right now I'm gonna be using the opportunity right here to announce my giveaway. So for the purpose of those who are just joining me for the first time, or who are just seeing me for the first time right here, so I said I'm gonna be giving out money right here to 3 lucky winners right here on my channel. So in order for you right here to qualify for the giveaway, one, you must be a member of my channel right here, you must be a subscriber, and also you must be an active commenter. You must always be commenting on each of my videos, and also you must like my videos right here, and also you must also belong to our WhatsApp community group down in the description. So guys, I'm going to be announcing the 3 lucky winners right here on my channel. So I'm going to be dropping the video right here by 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. I'm going to be dropping a video right here, and I'm going to be announcing the winner live right here on my channel. So it's gone very important for you right here to stay tuned right here, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out whenever I drop the video. So the video is going to be dropping today by 5 p.m. West African time right here, so you guys should be alert. So I'm going to be giving out 500 naira to each lucky winners, to the 3 best lucky winners right here on my channel. So you need to always make sure you always comment on each of my videos right here in order for any chance in winning this giveaway. third best Fiverr gigs that you could use to make over $100 a day right here on Fiverr is video editing. And guys, video editing is really huge right here in the market because there's a lot more money to be made right here as a video editor. So if you know you could edit video right here, then this is your opportunity right here to make tons of dollars right here on Fiverr. And by the way, if you have gotten any value from the video so far, consider smashing that subscribe button and give the video a like. So you can see right here, this person is offering his video editing skills for $45. This is another person offering his video editing skills for $15, $30, $15, $650 right here. So if I open this guy right here and I click on his profile right here, and you can see this guy said he's gonna be editing a video right here. It's gonna be editing both Twitch and YouTube live stream video right here. And you can see right here, this is his basic plan, this is his standard plan, and also this is his premium plan right here. So you can see right here, you could see his description right here, and it's about him and all of that right here. And this guy got over 430 review right here. So if I multiply from $45 times 430, you guys are gonna see that this guy has made over $19,350 right here on Fiverr by just editing 60-minute video. Guys, you can see right here there is a lot more money right here to be made as a video editor. So if you know you're a video editor right here, this is your best chance right here to jump on Fiverr right here and start making some money for yourself. And also, if you know you want to learn video editing skills right here, I have a full training course right here. It's going to be walking you through step by step how you could literally edit videos right here, and you could start selling these skills right here on Fiverr and start making money for yourself. I'm going to be leaving the link right here to the course right here, to the training right here in the video description right here. Just click on the video description right here to go check out the course. So guys, I really hope you found the video helpful. If you know you did, consider smashing that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give the video a like. And also, if you know you want to ask me any question right here, feel free to go to the comment section right here and drop your comment, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. So if you know you haven't created your Fiverr seller account right here to start making money online for yourself, I'm going to be leaving a video right here. So the video popping right here on your screen right here is going to be teaching you right here how to create a Fiverr account step by step right here, so you could start making money right here on Fiverr.